In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document with Docusign 5 minutes. We'll walk through signing a document that's been sent to you by email, and I'll also show you how to sign your own document inside Docusign. By the end, you'll be confident completing the entire process in just a few clicks. Start in your email inbox and open the message inviting you to sign. Make sure it's the document you're expecting, then look for the Review Document button and click it. Docusign will open in your browser and display a brief consent screen. Check the box to agree to use electronic records and signatures when available, then click Continue. This consent simply authorizes Docusign to collect your electronic signature in a legally binding way. On the left side of the screen, click the yellow Start tag. This jumps you straight to the first place you need to act, saving you from scrolling. When you reach a signature field, click the signature tag. You can adopt a pre-styled signature that matches your name, draw your signature with your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature if you already have one. Choose the option you prefer and apply it. DocuSign will guide you through any remaining required fields. When everything looks good, click Finish at the top or bottom of the page. You'll see confirmation that the document is complete, and you'll receive a copy by email as well. If you need to sign your own document, open DocuSign and go to the Agreements area. Select the document you want to sign and click Sign. If the document isn't uploaded yet, click Start Now to upload it from your computer or cloud storage. Once the file is open, locate the signature tool and drag a signature field onto the exact spot where you want to sign. You can move it if it's not in the perfect place. Click that new field to adopt a signature style, draw, or upload an image, just like before. Take a moment to review each page so everything is exactly where it should be. When you're ready, click Finish to complete the process. The signed document is saved to your account and you can download or share it right away. That's it. Whether you're signing something sent to you or preparing your own file, DocuSign makes it fast, secure, and reliable in just a few minutes.